Hello, interior design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of carpets for small spaces. Join me as we explore the art of selecting carpets that not only maximize style but also bring functionality to compact areas, making them feel spacious and inviting. Segment 1: Importance of carpets in small spaces. Carpets play a vital role in small spaces by adding warmth, visual interest, and defining areas within a confined room. Segment 2: Choosing the right size. Opt for smaller size carpets in small spaces. Consider area rugs or runners that complement the room's proportions without overwhelming it. Segment 3: Lighter colors and patterns. Lighter colored carpets, especially in neutral tones, can create an illusion of space by reflecting light and making the room feel more expansive. Segment 4: Low pile and textures. Select carpets with low pile or textures. These not only contribute to a cozy atmosphere but also prevent the room from feeling crowded. Segment 5: Multifunctional carpets. Consider multifunctional carpets like ottoman rugs or storage benches with integrated carpets, maximizing both style and utility in a small area. Segment 6: Maintenance and versatility. Opt for carpets that are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring they remain functional and aesthetically pleasing in smaller areas. Carpets in small spaces aren't just decorative, they're a design element that can make a significant impact. By choosing the right size, colors, textures, and functional options, you can transform your compact area into a stylish and functional haven. Thanks for watching, and here's to adding style and functionality to your small spaces with the perfect carpets.